Barcelona, boys.
We're right here pre-gaming in the car. Got the homie Mikey boy out here. Got the homie Alley Cat. Got Lexi, thank you for driving. I don't know if I can do it. I can sure as hell try. So glad to be on the trip with this guy. It's gonna be fucking awesome.
Fuck yeah.
Hopefully it's going, see what kind of drinks we can get at the bar for departure. We've got a couple hours to kill.
Yo, we're coming to you live straight from LAX. You know, our flight's about to depart in about an hour or so. Don't really know what to expect, but all we know is I'm about to have a fucking great fucking time. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers. It's a good time, some good friends.
We're about to be boarding on the plane right now. We're about to be doing this shit. It's about to be lit. I'm not scared of going to this 5 different countries. I'm scared of this being the last time I ever get to travel. So as long as you guys can promise me you guys will be there with me until I fucking die, that's all that matters.
When you say that, is that how you really feel? When I do that, is that what you really mean? When I say that, will you come home? When I do that.
First trip, homeboys from Los Angeles to Barcelona.
Yeah. Flight about 14 hours away to our destination. About 14 hours away from our destination. We're about to get wild, so stay tuned.
This is Barcelona, Spain, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please subscribe, please share the video, please comment. It means a lot to me. I go through a lot of work to do these videos, so again, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys. I love the world. I miss you guys. I wish you were here. Good night. Goodbye. I'll see you again tomorrow.